Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove metadata from smartphone photos. First of all, if I open the Photos app on my mobile device, you can see that there is an image present here. If I swipe up, you can see that it has a bunch of metadata attached with it. In order to remove it, follow along. Simply close everything and open the Play Store or App Store on your mobile device. After that, make sure that your Google account is signed in. Once you are here, tap on the search bar at the top and search for Remove Metadata from Photo. Once done, open this app and then install it on your mobile device. After the installation is done, open it up and this type of interface will appear in front of you. Here, tap on the settings icon at top right corner and tap on the Save New Copies button to set the destination folder. Once you are done with it, close the settings window and tap on this Choose Photos button at the top. After that, select the target image and wait for it to be completed. Now that it's done, I will open the Photos app, locate the exported image, and you can see that the metadata has been removed completely. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.